Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Asari Tokubo, where we dey hear a voice for almost all the comedy wey Nigeria people dey act. Wey dey talk say 70 years old man, no be juju be that. Na the man na you dey see for here for this video. That voice wey you dey hear, 70 years old man, no be juju be that. Na this man voice, na this man na him talk that word. But today, wetin make me dey post this video wey him do? He say he no believe say Gelegele belong to Edo people. He say Gelegele belong to Ijaw. Say na Ijaw people na him get Gelegele. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Asari.
This is Benin history. Are you seeing it? Do you have it? This is Benin history. Go and Google it. Go and Google it. Mumu Festus. Omaragbo. Go and Google this one. This is historical parasitism, inferiority complex. These people, these distortionists, distort Calabar history without blinking and make Calabar little. Calabar was seen before Benin was seen.
Somebody's asking you, is Calabar from Benin?
So there is no way Calabar can come from Benin. Calabar was seen by European almost 100 and something years before Benin was seen. Calabar was seen around between 1402 and 1412. The records are here. Benin was seen 15 something, 1540 something. So Ijaw people had owned Gelegele from time immemorial.
Let me just see so that you.
The Ijaw people had owned Gelegele from time immemorial. Oba of Benin has nothing. He has nothing, nothing to do with Gelegele. Yes.
Somebody say European.
I want to come to some very touchy issue in Calabar. There are a lot of people who are distorting Calabar history and doing irreparable harm to us. They claim that we came from somewhere, that others were there before us. The people who made this thing to happen. So everybody stands up. Calabar people, we were here before Calabar came. It's a lie. Calabar people are the oldest people in this part of the world. Irreparable claim. These people are making this unjustifiable claim in the courts because there are Calabar concussionists and liars who style themselves as historians without evidence. And they cannot tell us who these people are. In Calabar land, it is the Endemes who said they are from Maine. It's accepted. The Endemes said they are Maine people. It is the Igodame who claim they are from somewhere around Sagbama. It's accepted. That is their history. It is the Kurame who have various claims. And most of these claims have nothing to do with Calabar people. Because their name, linguistically, they have no connection with what they are claiming. And historically, there is no basis for such claims. Because Calabar was seen more than 100 years before Efik Calabar was seen. So there is no way time, there was nobody who is a Duke. There was nobody who was answering Duke Africa that came from Duketown, because Duketown was not even seen. Historical parasitism, inferiority complex. These people, these distortionists, distort Calabar history without blinking and make Calabar little. Calabar was seen before Benin was seen.
Somebody's asking you, is Calabar from Benin?
So there is no way Calabar can come from Benin. Calabar was seen by European almost 100 and something years before Benin was seen. Calabar was seen around between 1402 and 1412. The records are here. Benin was seen 15 something, 1540 something. That's the next narrative we are going to see. So after Calabar comes from Benin, but there are some group of Calabar people who may have migrated from Benin. There's no doubt about it. Because they claim that there are many people, and the main people said they migrated from a place around they migrated from a place around where present Benin is, that they were the people who were settled there before. So, and a lot of the job people are still settled around that place. And we have travels in Africa and very many documents clearly demonstrating that the Jaws were there before Benin people. I can get you a book now. That book, Record of Adams, Captain Adams. Let me get it for you. Captain Adams. Yes. Wandering in Africa. June 1863. And this is one of the oldest and most comprehensive Benin historical book. Look at it. The diagram, many Benin people, I don't think even the Oba of Benin has this one. Because if he has, he will not be saying some of the things he's saying. All the artwork found in Benin, when Europeans came, the style and everything is here. If you want it, I can give it to you. They are all here. I don't think even the Oba of Benin who parades himself. Lenroche. Now, in page 400 and something of this book, you see the Benin something. You see the Ijokle. That Ijos were there around Benin. But they were not Benin people. In fact, Ijos were even said to have eaten Creoles, white people and Benin people. Is there? Recorded by white people. So we can go on and on and on and on. These are days of facts. You can't hide facts. You can't make frivolous claims and think that you can go free with it. Huh? You can't make frivolous claims and go free with it. So, some Kalabari people claim that they are Benin people, that they came from Benin, where they are not Benin people, they are Ijaw people who came from Benin area. And these people, they are called the Endemes. Then we have the Godame. But the Amabia men, the Alame, the Bokame, and the Akala men are Aboriginal Proto-Ijaws. They are not Ijaw people. They speak a dialect that is the same with Ijaw people, with other Ijaw people, similar to them. So historians describe them as Proto-Ijaws. Historians describe them as Proto-Ijaws. Historians describe these people as Proto-Ijaws. So it's not a new thing for Ijaw people. So Kalabari did not come from Benin. A family of Kalabari people who said their main people came from around Benin. And everybody knows about them. But the four oldest Kalabari clans have nothing. Let me read on page Return Down the River by Captain Adams on page 419. It's a very rare book, you can't get it. On page 419, Wandering in West Africa. He said, we found much to admire in the scenery of the creek through which we had before passed at night. It was lustrously wooded. The elevated bank of the old river produced a significant growth of trees above. Below all was palm and pandanus. Whilst on the river, on the watery marge, tree grasses grew by acres in the marshy fields that looked about to become floating islands. After 20 minutes, we passed Gele Gele. This is 1863. After 20 minutes, we passed Gele Gele, a village of Ijaw men on the left bank. We made ready thinking that there perhaps will take a stand by the naughty Negroes. You look at the way he described the Ijaw people. He said, by the naughty Negroes. Women and children, however, flocked to the edge of the dwarf cliff, showing all that was peace. Beyond that point, there was of little interest. At dark again, we passed Slave Island, and then until we run into a multitude of large empty canoes that took off forbidden night. At 1 a.m. on the following day, 23rd of August, 1862, we entered once more the hospitable doors of Dr. Amos, Dr. Eric Stratton, dredged with rain. So Ijaw people had owned Gele Gele from time immemorial.
Let me just see
The Ijaw people had owned Gele Gele from time immemorial. Oba of Benin has nothing. He has nothing to do with Gele Gele. Yes?
Somebody say Europeans reached Benin in 1480, and at this time they were documented everywhere in Portugal and in Netherlands. Benin Empire has its embassy in Portugal.
We are saying Benin Empire. You said 1480. Kalabari was seen much before Benin was seen. Gulani, which is of Glad today, was seen before Benin. So 1480, 1412, are they the same? 1480 and 1412, are they the same? It's a question. 1480 and 1412, are they the same? They are recorded there. Fuche, wine drop, Fuche and Fuche wine drop. Are they the same? Go and check on the coast. After Gilani, the next place that the Portuguese landed was at Fuche, wine drop. The Dutch called them wine drop. Omoragbe, you are a double mumu Festus. Proper mumu. You people come to 43 and talk about one Bini or one elitist. Which Bini is that? Bini of what? Yeah, these are documents. They are there. Go to Fraser magazine, 1863. Is there. Let me show you this one. Fraser magazine, 1863. For Time and Country, volume. See the volume. It is here. Go and check for it. It is cool that they use in knowing what I'm reading. Are you the one that teach me? No teacher can teach me now. Which school did you go to? I attended Unicar. So when people say the truth, people just distort history and lie a lot. Just lie a lot and distort history. And people of little mind accept it without questioning it. This is Benin history. Are you seeing it? Do you have it? This is Benin history. Go and Google it. Go and Google it, Mumu Festus. Omoragbo, go and Google this one. This is Benin history. You dey say am? You Yoruba get am? Ain't get am? This is Benin history. People just come using their connection in government to oppress other people. Go to take Ijaw land that they just, how can a Bini and Oba Bini say Ijaw people were enslaved? Where will he come from the river, from the land to enslave Ijaw people in the water? Where has that happened before? Where can he go slave now? The Ijaw people are there, let him go and enslave them. Why is he looking for government running to Abuja? He should go and enslave them now. We are there. Make on know to make waiting on an what happened for now. We are restraining ourselves. Does not mean. European record clearly says you go and procure a kangaroo judgment from Justice Wifer was part of the people giving judgment in Supreme Court. A Benin man. Against Ijaw people. And such government is somebody who has interest in the case, an interested party. An interested party. So don't come and talk about Bini or anybody come. We don't give a damn. Yes, I might have Bini blood flowing in my vein. Does not mean that I will support a Bini thing. Look at this book. If Yoruba have it, if he doesn't have it, tell him, let me borrow him. And I will give him hundreds of volumes of books. I will give him hundreds of volumes of books write up on it on Benin. You do proper research. So let me come back to our home. So these historical parasitizens of our people, they belittle themselves. They don't carry research. They don't carry out research. They are so lazy. They just write any junk because they feel so little before now. So please, these 3 of the 7 Kalabari words have no known origin. The Amabiames, the founders of Kalabari. It is the Amabiames that founded Kalabari, followed by the Alames, followed by the Bokame, followed by the Akalame. These 4 have no origin as that is known, like Krakrama, Abise, Soku, Ifoko, Angulama. They don't have any origin of where they come from.
Now we don't hear from Asari Tokubo. Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you now with this video. Make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.